Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Rancilio Silvia espresso machine, and on this machine we eventually found a small leak in the return line, which is this line right here, and this is the new hose that we installed. There was a small cut in it back inside the machine, and that was what was creating all the rust on the inside. So let's go ahead and pull a shot.
Yes and yes. Right, you got something in mind?
I've been looking for a single groove lever.
Your lever machine. Like a Laparoni or a Ciccone, huh?
Alright, so we have a nice shot of espresso, so thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.